Hey everyone, this is Cooking with Matthew. Today I'm doing a squirrel stew. I killed me a squirrel this morning, so we're going to make the best of it. I've never ate squirrel before, by the way, so we're going to start off. I'm going to start adding some water to this pot over here. That's 4, that's 8. It's going to be a small pot, really, because it's only one squirrel. I got a little bugger right here. We're going to put him in here. Then I've got a half a bell pepper, 3 ribs of celery, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 medium onion. This is what you call the Holy Trinity. Go ahead and put this in here. I spilled some of this stuff over here, some of this celery. So we're gonna get that in there. I'm gonna let this stew for a little while, but I'm gonna go ahead and add some other stuff. Have some Cajun seasoning right here. I'm gonna add that's going to be 1 tablespoon. That was 3 teaspoons. That's what Cajun seasoning. I'm going to let this just go for a little while. And I got to break that most tissue apart. But we are going to end up adding some andouille and some cabbage and some tomatoes, some tomato paste. I'm going to add all this stuff at a later into the process. I want to get the squirrel cooked up some. I'm probably going to let it run for about 30-45 minutes, then I'll start adding some stuff to it, so we'll be back. Alright guys, so we're back. I'm going to go ahead and add, looks to be about 3 cups of cabbage to this. The squirrel's not done yet. I had to add some more water, so I've been keeping up track with that, because it's sucking up some of the water. So there's 3 cups of cabbage, diced up pretty small. I'm going to add 1 can of diced tomatoes. And then I got this 6-ounce tomato paste. I got this 14 ounces of andouille. I know I said 12 a while ago, but I looked at the package and it was actually 14. 13 and a half actually. I just went ahead and went with 14. You can do 12 to 14 ounces of this. Probably better to have another squirrel in there, but I was only lucky enough to get 1 today. We're going to put this lid back on. We've already been going about 35 minutes, so we'll be back. Alright guys, so we're back. This thing took about 1.5 hours to cook to where you can pull it off the bone. That's about all the meat you get off of 1 squirrel. Well, that's gonna be enough for what I've got going on here with the sausage and everything in it. So we're just gonna pour that little meat in there. It ended up taking, I kept having to add more water to it, so it ended up taking 20 cups altogether of water. Add that into my equation. And look, I end up adding a few things. I end up adding a tablespoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of red pepper flakes. If you don't like stuff hot, then I would just omit the red pepper flakes, or end up just putting a little bit. That's a good little stew. Or just do one of them or none at all. I'm gonna give you the recipe. 3 ribs of celery diced up, small. 4 cloves of garlic, 1 medium onion, a half a bell pepper diced up, 1 whole squirrel, cooked till it's falling apart. I put all that stuff in there, then I let it cook. Then I end up adding the 14-ounce andouille sausage, 3 cups of cabbage, 6-ounce tomato paste, 15 ounces of diced tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of pepper flakes, and 20 cups of water. So I'm going to show y'all the recipe, and I'm going to show y'all what this ends up looking like. Alright, so we're going to come over here to this. And it's just a nice stew. This would be good if you want to put a little rice or something in it. I'm trying to stay away from all the carbs and stuff. So if you like what you've seen, like, share, subscribe, and until next time, God bless you.